What's going on, everybody? We are here at Hangar 21 in Fullerton, California. We're here for Jen and Andrew, and this video is going to be for all the engaged couples who are planning to get married here at Hangar 21. And stay tuned throughout the whole video because we have some surprises here for the couple and for their guests. It's going to be lit. So if you haven't been married here at Hangar 21, I'm going to show you the breakdown of the setup, what it's like to have a wedding here, and something fun you can do that you can't have at any other wedding venue out there. For those people who are new to the channel, I'm DJ MOJOE, a professional DJ down here in Southern California, and I'm all about good music, good vibes, and good energy. And I make videos like this to document my weddings, my couples, and to help you out there get some ideas and understand what it's like to have a wedding. Because soon you'll be planning yours. And I want to make sure that you make the best decisions, finding out what's possible out there to add to your wedding. So it's gonna be a fun time, fun night for Jen and Andrew. I'm so excited to get this party started. And with that, let me show you around. So here at Hangar 21, we are expecting about 250 guests around there. So it's more than 200 guests. Right now, guests are sitting down for the ceremony, which is happening on the side of the hangar. The cocktail hour will be at the extended patio in the back. We also have a bar next to the DJ booth. I asked to be right next to the stage, so that way I'm more closer to the dance floor. They gave me a power outlet, and right now I'm using speakers to the left and to the right of the stage. I'm using my BassBoss BB15 subwoofers and my Meyer Ultra X40 tops, and it sounds incredible. We also have inside the hangar 2 extra speakers to cover sound in the back, so that way it's a balanced sound experience for everyone, not just for the people up in front, but for the people in the back. And I'm running wireless sound, so we're not dealing with any cables to go across from my DJ setup to the next. For the ceremony, I'm running 2 speakers, my LD Maui 28 G2s. Since we have a large guest count from the people to the front, people in the back, we want to cover the sound. So I use my LD Maui 28 G2s, which will cover the sound for the people in the front, people in the back, and it's sleek looking. These are my white speakers, so it blends really well against the background. And I have my DJ booth in the corner, so when it's time to have the cocktail hour, I'm actually DJing the cocktail hour. So people can hear me while they're enjoying the drinks, catching up with friends, eating some food. And then later, when it's time to get the party started for the reception, I'm gonna move to my second setup, my main booth, right over here to the side. I have a custom slideshow for the couple on my TV screen, something to add some personalization to it. I have that. I also use my white party pillars, so at night, when it's time to party, they change colors to the music, especially with the uplights all around the venue space as well. And I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right now, or let you know what's to expect for the grand entrance, and you're gonna see it when it's time. The couple is going to fly in a helicopter for the grand entrance. So I'm excited to share that with you, so stay around.
Strong relationship in years to come.
And look around you, Jennifer and Andrew.
This is your Captain Andrew speaking here with your co-captain, Jennifer. We would like to welcome you aboard helicopter flight 914, destination Fullerton, California. Fasten your seatbelt and hang on tight. On behalf of the entire crew, we welcome you to our wedding. And thank you.
Looks like we made it.
Fuck them up. I'ma do my stuff and you niggas will get a wedgie. You flipped over your boxes, all over your phone. The other passion.
I'm switching things up right now. This is a dedication to Jen right now. If you know the words, sing it. Ladies, we need on the dance floor. this was such a fun wedding. We are all done here for Jen and Andrew's wedding here at Hangar 21. Absolute blast. They came in here in a helicopter for the grand entrance. We had this beautiful white dance floor, these nice string lighting on top. We had about 250 people and they were all there just ready to have a good time. I mixed music during dinner. People were singing, getting out of their seats, and they were just enjoying the jams. We had some speeches, some special dances, and then we just really kick off the dance party. I had about a 2-hour and like a 10-minute set, played everything from hip hop, EDM, R&B, and just good jams that people can sing to, dance to, and as you saw in the video, everyone had an amazing time. It's been an amazing time DJing here at Hangar 21. Highly recommend it just for the fact that we can get loud. We're in this business area, so I was able to really hear the full bass of my BassBoss subs and really push the Meyer Sound Ultra X40s, and it sounded amazing. Jen, Andrew, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for having me. You guys are incredible. If you want my playlist, let me know. I'll be more than happy to share it, but it was lit. It was lit. That's it for now. We have to get out of here. We have 1 hour to pack up and then before they close up. But that concludes tonight's wedding celebration at the Hangar 21 for Jen and Andrew, September 14, 2024. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate a follow, like, comment on the YouTube video, and also follow me on Instagram at DJ_Mojo. And if you're interested in having me as your DJ, let's talk. Go to my website, schedule a meeting with me, and I'd love to hear more about your wedding day. All right, that's it for now. I'm DJ Mojo. Thanks for watching. But in the meantime, check out the other videos that I have up here. Have a good day.